This summer I want a garden and I'm gonna take you with me. So let's go. There was a really great deal at Home Depot with the mulch, so I went back and got some more. I'm not sponsored by this, but Home Depot, if you notice me, let me know. I was lucky enough to have access to a small garden. It's not big, but it's just enough for me to start. So I'm going to transform this for the summer in hopes that it belongs during the winter. So Sorry guys, I had to cut in to elaborate on what this yard will be. So the goal of this particular tiny yard is to transform it to fit my needs, which are: 1, create a garden potager with fruits, vegetables, and herbs, hopefully all year long. We'll work into that in future videos. 2, a small nursery. And 3, a place to relax. So together, merging function and design in a New York style yard. And little by little, I hope that I can transform this little garden into something that you can enjoy and really appreciate. Even though it's tiny, that doesn't mean that you can't enjoy fruits of your labor. So I hope that you guys enjoy this. It will possibly be segmented into parts. So this is part 1, which is the introduction into what I'm doing. I'm going to show you the placement of it in a little bit. So let's go. As you can see, it's very small. These 2 AC compartments that are AC units that are over there, so I'm gonna have to deal with that. Along this line, I am going to have a raised bed and an L-shaped raised bed. And over here, where the table is, that's where I'm going to put the greenhouse, which is almost the same dimension as this anyway. Over here, I'm going to build out of buckets a compost bin, and yeah, over here I don't know if I'm only gonna put mulch or gravel, but I'm debating between the two. But I do know that preparing the garden, the greenhouse, I will put some mulch to flatten the space out. Problematic things that are here that hopefully I can fix, but I'm only one man doing this, one woman doing this, so I can't do this on my own, and I don't have welding skills, so this is very heavy and kind of dangerous to step in. And I mean, everything needs a little bit of fixing, but the goal is to start, right? So I'm going to start. I'm going to see how I can do this if I raise the ground up high enough, if it's going to cover it. So very funny, I found this table in the garage and I used it as a small cover type greenhouse for my succulents to be, because it's very hot and the sun is quite harsh on them, on the plants that I have already. So this was a temporary fix. It worked out. these from my mom's house, so I'm going to possibly make a tiny video about these in the future. Look at these. Anyway. After clearing up the space, it was time to prepare the area for the placement of the greenhouse. I'm using a shovel to simply remove the weed that is already in the area so that I can prep it to add some mulch later. On a side note, this project will take a bit of time and may even be on its own playlist as I work on other videos for you guys. So let me know how this works for you, if you like it or not. Also, there will be drawings and renderings associated to some of the projects that I am making, so be sure to head over to my Patreon for more detailed instructions. Speaking of Patreons, thank you guys for making this possible. Without you, I wouldn't be making many videos like this. You guys encourage me, so thank you, thank you, thank you. Here it is. Set it up yesterday, and I like it. Stay tuned for the next video when I try to repair this wall. This should be fun. If you like this video, please show your support by subscribing, hitting that like button, turning on your notification bell to be alerted when another one of my videos is up, and also sharing it to your friends and family. Until next time, bye.